Hey you guys, and welcome back to another installment of As Told by Brittany D. And of course, I am Brittany D, and today we're back with another lock tutorial. In today's tutorial, we will be doing petal buns on Miss T. Some of you on Instagram requested I do the Tiny Don't Rush challenge, so I decided to do one. Now, I don't participate in social media challenges often, but I did think this one was cute. But back to the tutorial, we're going to start off by retwisting her hair. So I did retwist majority of her locks off camera just to save time. And I'm going to continue retwisting her locks using the lock-in gel. It's one of my favorite products to use for my retwist. I use it on myself and literally my entire family. I love this product. It's some good stuff, honestly. But I'm going to continue retwisting her hair, trying my best to separate each lock without popping the loose hair. So I'm still going to try to keep the party nice and neat, but I've learned over time, continuously popping the loose hair can weaken the roots of the lock. I understand that everyone is obsessed with having clean, neat, precise parting, but it's not that serious. So please be mindful of those loose hairs. But now that we have finished retwisting my daughter's locks, I'm gonna go ahead and remove all those clips and add a little bit of oil to her scalp. I'm using the Super Grow hair and scalp oil. It has some nice oils in it. It has the Jamaican black castor oil, wheat germ oil. It conditions her scalp and hair very well without being too overbearing. That's something that I enjoy. I'm going to continue to work this product throughout her hair, and we're going to add a little bit of mousse using the Nairobi setting lotion for this part. I know that I didn't show any of the products that I used in this video because I forgot, but I'll be sure to have them listed below. So I am just going to add this mousse just to set the tone for this hairstyle. You guys know, unfortunately, I can no longer use this on my hair because it irritated my scalp so bad, but luckily it does nothing to my daughter's scalp. So we're going to let that evaporate, and then we're going to start these petal buns. So I'll be doing 2 petal buns on my daughter. So we're going to start off by putting her hair in 2 pigtails. So I'm starting with this first section. I'm gathering all the locks in the front to put in a small ponytail. Then I will gather all the locks in the back and also put it in a small ponytail. Then I will bond the 2 ponytails with a rubber band. By doing this, you release some of the tension on the locks in the front. Because my daughter's locks are not the same length, she does have some shorter locks in the back, and I don't want to pull on the locks in the front. So doing this, it keeps all the locks together without all that tension. You know, something that I learned from my girl Coco. But we're going to continue gathering all those locks to form that ponytail, and then we're going to get to the fun part, which are the petals. Now, to save a little bit of time, I did do 1 bun off camera, but now we're going to go ahead and do the other one on camera. Okay, so it's time to do the petals, and the petals are the easiest yet the most time consuming part of this whole look. So all you have to do is create a loop. Once you created that loop, you want to take a rubber band and secure the base of that loop, making sure that the ends connect. And that's pretty much it. If you so happen to connect it a little higher than expected, all you have to do is take the longer side and pull it all the way down to the base of that ponytail. And that pretty much is it. Of course, I'm going to do a playback for you guys so you can get a better idea of what I'm talking about, but that's pretty much it. You want to keep creating them loops and securing it over and over and over again until you create your your petal bun. But yeah, that's pretty much is it for this tutorial. T and I had an amazing time creating this style for her Don't Rush challenge. It was a blast. I hope you guys did enjoy this video as well. If so, please remember to give me a big thumbs up. If you have any style suggestions, please leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you guys, and most importantly, I hope you are staying safe and all is well. But until next time, until we meet again, until we're back on YouTube, watch another crazy video of mine. Stay safe and bye-bye.